I'm not gonna lie, I did buy the sled for one other reason too. Only in Canada, eh? Today is trout fishing day. I've been waiting all week, and I'm gonna hook up with my cousin Cody today, and we're gonna travel back to one of the lakes I used to haunt when I was a little kid. My grandfather used to take us there. We used to have to break trail. Now there's pretty much a highway built into this lake, so it should be an easy run, 45 minutes, and we're gonna spend the day trout fishing. And yes, I am bringing firewood. In my old age, my cousin is making fun of me, but I said it's nice to have enough dry wood to actually start the fire with. So I'll bring the saw as well, and we'll cut a bunch more on the lake, but this should go up quick. I'm just too old and tired to spend 2 hours looking for firewood when I want to be fishing. Voila! I had one guy comment that that's not how you tie your sled in, but I'm just taking the loose strap and tying it back up to the sled. It is ratcheted down in the front, guys, so whatever it looks like, it actually is tight. And then back here, same thing. Ratchet strap right across the machine, loose end tied back up, holding the tongue. And I've actually wrapped the tight one around the tongue here as well. No matter how fast I go, I can't seem to lose that guy behind me on the Arctic Cat sled. As soon as I did that stupid bit, I could hear my kids' voices in my head. Another dad joke. All right, I'm all loaded up, ready to go, ready to try out the new helmet. I gotta switch to these straight arm glasses. I can't get my regular glasses on. It's a real pain. Gotta put the arms way up over top. So they don't really fit right, but we'll make do for today. My water's froze. Big though. Hey, first one of the day. I guess you can have that piece. Well, I just opened my bag. I was debating whether to use tip-ups or rods or what. And I found this old bag in here, and I've got my grandfather's trout kit. I don't remember getting that or how long I've had it, but he passed away last fall, a year ago, just over a year ago. So I'm going to use his lines today. Hey, there's my first one of the day. Not real big, but hey, there's a better one. You gonna keep that one for me? Yeah, if you want them. Yeah, I'll eat them. Hey, there we go. That is a better trout. Look at that. Good eater anyway. Hey, well there's dinner anyway, so that's good. Yeah, about 12 inches, 13 inches. There's my hand. Cody just pointed out a great fact here. That trout right there just cost me 12 grand. By the time you buy your sled to get here, there you go. It better taste good. So Cody's moved way down the lake. The other guy that was there this morning left. And Cody wanted to try jigging for a bit down there, so we're split up right now. He's going to yell if he lays into a bunch of them. Or he says he's going to yell. Well, there's my second catfish of the morning. Well, holy man! Look at the size of that doozy. I'm eating a sandwich. Holy man! You're gonna make these guys look small. Look at that! Now that's a good trout. Couple pounds anyway. Come here, you. Oh, easy couple pounds. There's another one, guys. That's keeper number 5. Yeah, oh, he's got his hood up. I don't know what's going on down there. Machine wouldn't start or something, I don't know. That's why we always travel in pairs. Time to do a little GoPro here. There's not a lot of water in this hole. There's only maybe 4 feet of water, so let's see what's down there. So the heated visor worked great on the way in, left it plugged in the whole way, and it's fantastic as long as you leave it down. We have to cross a lake to get to the one we're fishing on today, and I left the visor up. Well, my sunglasses got really cold coming across that lake, and then if you shut the visor's nice and clear, but then my sunglasses were all fogged up. So just something I have to keep in mind if you're going to wear the heated visor, which worked better than I anticipated it would. You got to leave it down all the time if you're wearing 2 pairs of glasses, if you're wearing glasses and a visor. Another little guy here, we'll just let him go. There you go. Look what I just got. Time for a hot tea. Oh yeah, there you go. He walked all the way back here to bring me a worm, and I've caught 3 fish since he's been here, and he's got one. I think you better move back over here. There he comes now. No bath. I don't know, how many did we let go now? 5? Something like that?
I don't know.
5 or 6?
Don't give fucking track.
Oh, what? I just got here. Like literally 2 seconds ahead of you. Oh yeah?
Yeah. It's eating snow. That middle one doesn't. No, it's not.
There's another one we'll let go.
Bye, little one.
Well, that one was actually a good one. That was a keeper, but I'm at my limit, so.
You don't know what that means, Noah.
Yeah, time to take the sled for a rip there, Cody. It's the fish are getting smaller and smaller.
Oh yeah, it is quiet.
Yeah. Just that annoying vibration in the front there off the light. But it's totally, yeah, it's totally the mount because, well, if you rev it up like that, it stops, but if you put your hand on it, it stops too.
Too bad it's not like mine where you can just turn the idle up and down.
You gonna buy one?
I'll just borrow yours. I couldn't get that stuck if I tried.
No, it goes pretty good on the snow. But if you do get it stuck, you're done. Now you want to try that on the real machine?
I don't know if I could do that.
I will clean these right out here on the ice. Feed the fox, and I don't have to do it at home. That one was a big female. Look at the eggs in there. Wow. Alright, there we go, guys. Freshly packaged. No, I am not freezing these. I am going to have fresh fish for lunch tomorrow. My neighbor's going to come over. They were out on Nipissing. I think they got some perch and whatnot, and we're going to do a fish fry tomorrow. So, there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody.